You know what we're going to do today with this flag. We're going to shoot it for stock and sell that footage and make some monies with this iPhone 15 Pro. So the first footage goes like that, maybe a bit of a parallax there, just like that. My settings are shutter 1/100, ISO is the lowest one, 24mm. Let's duck a little bit, point my iPhone up and make pan from low angle to the high angle. Now from another side, as I know, the colors go from red to violet, just like that. Beautiful frame. Let's go. You know from the previous video that I like to shoot LGBT symbolics because they are in demand, and I went here yesterday. It was full of party people participating in the Pride event, but now it's kind of empty, as you can see. And we have all the time we want to shoot this flag. Let's set the camera to 48 and pan up again. So as I said before, I'm shooting in log, Apple log, on my iPhone 15 Pro. Actually it's great, you can invest in your phone, then go for a walk, shoot everything you see and sell that and make some money. Sell this footage as stock footage. That's what we are doing here in this video. I decided to try to shoot it all in POV style for you to see how it goes, what I do to sell stock. Maybe you will like the idea and join my team, join my crew, and maybe you'll have fun too, just like me. Right now I can see these beer taps, but they have logos written on them. I don't know if I will be able to shoot them. Hope nobody will drop me out of here. 1/50 shutter speed. Well, it has some writings on the side. Maybe it's a logo. I have no idea. I can try shooting from the front. Oh, with the flag visible there. Let's see. So yeah, holding for 10 seconds and a person is walking by. Then I have to speak more in English and continue to shoot for this channel for practice in English too. Let's see another frame and another one of the person walking by. I think it's very cool. If I will sell something from this walk, I will post my results somewhere. I don't know, maybe in the next videos, maybe on my Patreon page, maybe somewhere else. I don't know, I have to figure out where to post all the stuff I have. And talking about stuff, I found a door with the English sentence, stuff only. It's also a nice thing to shoot. Let's see, I will do a parallax effect, just like that. I'll move to the right and I will move my camera to the left a little bit. And another one that I want to do, I will change my lens to 24 and I will do panning from the bottom to the top and maybe point my camera up and raise my camera a little bit for this kind of establishing effect stuff only. Wow, with the magic of editing and making a cut, I am in the different place right now. Where's my magic phone? I think the next video will be about these new spots for scooters. Parking spots, they can be sold on stock for sure. All the social stuff, business stuff and so on can be sold on stock. Okay, let's do this shot without branding. These bold signs are not permitted at all. So I am facing it a little bit lower and making this shot. Then I just love the idea that you can just walk around with your new iPhone, shoot some videos of everything you see, upload them to Shutterstock, POV, Adobe Stock, and maybe they will sell for like $20 each, hopefully, someday, maybe in 5 years. Yeah, of course, some videos never sell, but the hope dies last, or how they say. I will switch to 48 right now. As you can see, this one has tool logo. it can't be used, so I'm not taking it into my frame. And this one has this QR code that also is not permitted. That means I can make this lower angle and I don't know, make this kind of shot, pan up and don't reveal this tool logo. Maybe only one letter, like letter T will do. Oh, like that, and pan a little bit down. This one looks nice too. Also without bold logos and so on. So probably, as you know, you can't use logos in your stock footage because you're shooting for commercial purposes. That means people can use your stock videos for their advertisements, to promote their service and so on. For example, videos with scooters can be used for some scooter companies just like Bolt, but with different branding. And if the scooter has this Bolt logo on it, it can't be used only as editorial, but editorial can be bought from you only for news related stuff about this Bolt company. Maybe it's done something, maybe it has new rules inside the company, and some news want to make an article about that, and then they buy it, but the chance is lower. So I like the scooter, but I don't want the branding to be visible, and I want to make some kind of neutral shot with focus on this little pin, or maybe even on the... Oh no, it's recording already. Yeah, let's focus here and make a panning up. With a beautiful sunset in the background and even some people walking. Now I will set my focus to auto, set my lens to x3. And I want to shoot that wall. You can see my finger, I don't know, because that wall has a CCTV camera on it. I will point it up. Okay, I need to raise my ISO a little bit and press record and pan up a little bit for this nice frame with copy space on the left for people to be able to put some text on the wall. That was cool. Maybe some security company will buy this video to promote their services. I have this idea that you walk around with your phone, and one, you are just walking, having fun, and two, you can make additional cash just by pointing your camera everywhere. For example, you are walking over this pedestrian crossing, you point your camera to the sunset, you set shutter speed maybe to make this one darker, 1/500, and probably, maybe, it will bring you $40 just for pointing your camera, pressing record. Can you imagine? I think it's a dream job. Or not. Of course, it depends, but as a hobby, I like it a lot. Shoot these people crossing with a blurry sunset in the background. Okay, maybe come closer to this line. See, the focus is on 62. I really don't like the thing about this app is when you press record, sometimes manual focus switches to autofocus, and well, all your focus is gone and you're wasting time redoing it. Maybe I will also try to shoot from the middle of the tram lines to the sunset, but I will have to be kind of fast because of all this traffic. But right now it's the evening, so there shouldn't be a lot of cars and people. Okay, we're going. Horror music comes into the frame. Just like that, press record. Okay, just pan a little bit up. As you can see, this billboard flickers a lot because I have my shutter speed set to 1/500 because I don't have an ND filter for my phone, and can't set my shutter speed to 1/50 because of the 25 FPS I'm using. Now we have a lot of scooters here. This scooter parking. I don't know, I can try to move this one to the side. Whoa, heavy little piggy. Just like that, so the sign is visible. And now I pretty much can shoot with this sign. I will set my shutter to 1/50 because it's not a sunset side. I will duck a little bit and make a pan into the right shot. It's like an establishing shot revealing the parking lot for scooter. Okay, another one will be from the scooter side. Well, yeah, I will lock my focus on the sign. And no, I locked it, but it focused on the handles again. I don't know why. This app is so buggy. It's a Blackmagic Camera app. I don't know, all the time it has some flaws, but at least it's free to use. And it can be used with timecode for me to sync my audio to this GoPro, to this stock footage. Well, yeah, that's it. Okay, one more CCTV camera, X-ray lens, thingy up, press record, make some copy space to the right. I don't know, does it have a logo on it? I hope not. If it has a logo, there are two ways you can cope with that. You can just delete the video and move on, save some time, or you can use tracking in Davinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, and you can blur this logo or delete it or replace it with a flat surface, but it will eat some of your time. So I decided to record this one. It has a logo on the right side from me, so we're filming it from the front, putting it in the center, not leaving any copy space in this one. I want to remind you that I'm shooting in ProRes Apple lock 25 FPS, and the ProRes is actually LT, so that it takes much less space on your phone. Right now I have 12 gig free, and it's good for 4 minutes of videos. After that I'll have to upload them to my computer and start over with the phone. Right now I'm doing a voiceover because there are guys playing music and I don't want it to be copyrighted by YouTube. I found some LGBT flags here and I decided to shoot them really fast for you to move on. Now, I really like this street because it has restaurants on it, and it's possible to shoot this kind of footage with the restaurant in the background, focus on the foreground so that everybody in the background remain anonymous, just like that. Keyword is something like party, city, in the evening. Okay, probably we're going to come a little bit closer and shoot maybe to this side. Okay, some roses in the foreground. All of the roses are dead, unfortunately. What should we do? Focus here somewhere. Let's try this one and pan to the right to reveal the party, so to say. But I don't like the roses that are dead already. Maybe we can use this light, just like that. Shoot into the light, set ISO to 200. Yeah, focus here, 47, with the restaurant in the background. And some tourists passing by will do pretty cool. Will do just great. Maybe make a panning up shot. Panning, 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 panning up. Alright, by the way, I'd love in my, so to say, team via the link to Shutterstock in the description below, and shoot this kind of footage and videos too, upload them to stocks and have fun with me. And I'd like you to write everything you sold, everything that got accepted and so on in the comments below.